Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To fidget. Mark and Lisa are in the office. They're under a bit of pressure today. Employee reviews are today. Are you ready, Lisa? Today will definitely be interesting. I guess so. I don't think I had a good year. I'm kind of expecting the worst. You seem a bit nervous. Are you all right? Oh, do I? I didn't notice. Yeah, you keep adjusting your glasses and tapping your pen. You're fidgeting a lot. I suppose that's true. It's a habit I've had since I was a kid. I'm not good in high pressure situations. Quiz time! What does to fidget mean? To be calm, to talk loudly, to make small movements, to expect the worst. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C, to make small movements. Verb details. We often fidget when anxious, fidget when bored, fidget when tired, fidget when concentrating. To fidget means to make small movements, especially of the hands and feet, due to nervousness or impatience. Do you find yourself fidgeting in certain situations? Share your experience in the comments below. Examples. Lisa fidgeted while trying to solve a complex problem. I tend to fidget when I'm really nervous. He had to use the bathroom and was fidgeting for a while. Fidgeting is one of my worst habits. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. A bit. A little. Adjusting your glasses. Fixing your glasses. Tapping your pen. Hitting your pen on something. Due to. Because of. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.